Hi, today we will see how to manage the integration settings for Loveria. Go to Admin Panel. Open the settings from side menu bar. Select the integration setting from the Settings drop-down. For location map, select the switchery to use OpenStreetMap or Google Map. For location search, select the switchery to use the Static Locations database or use Google Map API. Allow pusher required for real-time communication. Enter pusher app ID, app key, app secret, cluster key. Update the setting. Allow Agora required for audio, video calls. Enter Agora, app ID, Agora app certificate key. Update the setting. Allow Giphy. Enter Giphy Key. Update the setting. Allow reCAPTCHA. Enter the site key and secret key of reCAPTCHA. Update the setting. For Microsoft Translator API, enter the Microsoft Translator API key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.